Hey, what's going on, guys? I hope everyone is doing well. Today is a really big day because I finally managed to put the whole engine together. I got all the O-rings that I'm going to need for the transfer case because I couldn't put the engine back last weekend because of really small freaking O-ring that I missed probably when I took it off the engine. So I have no idea where is it. So I had to wait 4 or 5 days just to get one little O-ring, and since I didn't stop there, I bought the other O-rings that I'm just replacing because why not. So the engine is right here. I'm ready to put on the timing belt cover, both of them. Also all the missing parts like the pulleys on the water pump, pulleys that am I gonna need. So after I'm done with this, I'm still waiting on my roommates to arrive so we can put back the engine. I almost forgot, before my roommate's gonna show up, I'm going to replace real quick the O-rings and the oil seal in the transfer case. So let's start with that. So as you guys can see, this is where that small little O-ring was missing from right here. But I'm going to replace the metal one at the connection point, and also the oil seal.
I've been watching you.
I'm gonna use this brake and caliper grease to grease up the shaft, and then to grease up a little the spine and where the throwback bearing is gonna slide in and out. About a set of wrenches, because as you can see, these bolts, let me show you. So these bolts are really hard to reach with any of the ratchet tools. So it's much easier to use just the wrenches to tighten it to, I don't know, spec. But since I don't have a wrench that can measure the torque, I can only use my hand to do the adjustment. But kinda, this is how it looks like with the timing belt cover on. I still have no idea why this one is, why I can't find the right bolt for this one, because I think one of those bolts that I already used should be go in there, but I think it's much deeper, so I need a longer bolt over there, which is strange because all the other ones doesn't need a longer or shorter bolt. Okay, everything is tightened. Now next step is to tighten all these bolts on the intake, and I can put it on the cherry picker, and then putting it in the car.
I've been watching you. I've been watching you.
I also got this at Harbor Freight. I think it's ideal for this kind of engine. Alright guys, I just managed to attach the transmission to the engine. I still have to find the right bolts to its place. So that's gonna be another challenge. Luckily I had help, so alone this mission is kind of impossible. I still had to use the cherry picker, as you can see, to grab the transmission. I had to do the ghetto style way because I haven't had enough or bolts long enough that's gonna hold this. So I'm right here right now. I'm gonna finish this up and I'm pretty much done for the day. I managed to slap on the oil pan, as you guys can see. I managed to put on the rear seal, and the next step is probably cleaning the turbo, mounting it to its place, attach it back to the oil pan, and next week I'm probably gonna buy the tool to align the what it's called, the tensioner. I'm still gonna buy a hydraulic tensioner, brand new, because I heard once you're replacing the belt you should replace the tensioner too. So that's what I'm gonna do. But as you can see, I made a huge progress. A couple more days and I can put him back into the engine bay. Alright guys, so this is the rebuilt 4G63 engine that I'm going to install in the next video. Take a good look, because this is the last time when you see it this pristine. Probably once I'm putting it in, it's gonna be scratched up, scuffed up. It's not gonna look this good anymore. So please subscribe if you haven't, leave us a comment, and if you have any other suggestions in the future videos, please let us know in the comment section. Peace.